What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Trying to still be 100% transparent because I got nothing to hide, although I took the L today. And also I did not upload a video yesterday. I also got clapped. I got an L as well. So in this video, I want to run you through what I did today, because yesterday the reason why I lost is I kept over trading, although it was not the time that I was supposed to be trading, because it was in a PM session. I kept trading, and up and down, green, red, and then red at the end of the day, because you are over trading. So that's what happened yesterday. Mistakes happen. All of that stuff happened today. Was a bit ugly and frustrating. What happened today is I came to the market. I had a bearish bias, and of course you see the bearish going through. 15 minutes we had sell side buy side liquidity up here. All of these, this was like triple kind of like relative highs up here, and then there was one high up here that got taken right here. There was a kind of a play here to retrace to the 50% retracement of that leg. I did not want to take it because I'm trying to respect my rules, and I didn't want to trade pre-market. Market open at 8:30 my time here, and today pretty much we didn't have really any heavy news driver, but I did I was kind of positive we're dumping because of this void right here on the 1 minute time frame was rejecting the price multiple time. And of course you can take a turtle soup up here at this level, right? But the thing is, I don't like to do that because I'm trading inversion models only, IFGs only. So what I waited for is I was trying to look at ES, where ES is and where NQ is. Market open. Also, I did not try to take any trades like right at market open. Price kind of consolidate here, and then 8:40 we get this inversion fair value gap on the 1 minute, and this is where I take my entry. And also I want to mention that we had the bearish SMT right here, and the ES was just stuck in this area and did not want to go any higher. Nasdaq, because it's the stronger pair, tried to consolidate and had a big volatility. That's why I didn't want to take that turtle soup from the void to the downside. And I will show you the recording of the video of the trade that I took, but I just wanted to explain where I got the trade from, the trade idea, my buys, and all of that first before I show you the trade video. So the candle kind of closed here to inverse this also 30 seconds fair value gap. I got on this candle and I was targeting lower, and my stop loss, because of my personal daily loss, it's locked at $200. I tried this with 5 micros, so the max that I can go for my stop loss is $20. So we can say right here, right? We can say right here, and I honestly had this marked, and you will see it in the video, and this was kind of like my break-even line, but then I was like, if we're dumping, we gotta take this out first. So I'm gonna wait until we take this out first. Maybe we'll come back to this 30 seconds inversion and we'll retrace to it. But I don't know what the heck the market was doing right here. This is like, it's not acceptable at all. That's a really bad price action. Kept consolidating for no freaking reason here. Up and down, even took my my stop here. And if you want to actually be safe and for this not to hit you, $33 your stop loss needed to be. Of course does not have that much, so it's $20 only. and it did hit my target, but I got me out first, and unfortunately I was not lucky enough to put it at break even, because you will see in the video with this candle took out this line that I marked, this sell side liquidity, and then it like immediately inversed and pushed up, and which was not good, honestly, but it is what it is. I want to show you here the trade recording. So I had this marked, and then I waited. Price was consolidating here, and here's market open. Market open just pumped, straight up pumped, and then dumped here. And I want to fast forward it until where I got the right here. That's the entry. So let me back it up a second here. So I even got a late entry because the candle kind of like closed pretty fast. So I clicked, it gave me a bad feel. I clicked sell when it was like up here, and then it just got me a bad fill overall. And as you can see here, I got in this trade. I even confirmed that we closed under this void right here, and I just let it play out with 5 micros. Stop loss is like okay if this was a cleaner price action delivery. I wanted this to hit so bad because I have been on a losing streaks lately, and I was not a big fan of it. I did not like it. Nobody likes a losing streaks, of course, but I don't know. It's been tough for me lately. Price action been horrible. Even when after we dumped, after the price action kind of cleared up, today it didn't even give any good retracement to the sell side liquidity. And it's pretty, like, I really hate the price action lately. It's been so terrible. And you see this candle right here, it took out the sell side liquidity that I had marked on the 30 seconds and immediately reverse and push up. I thought to myself, like, maybe this will be a retracement to the IFG and then go down. I'll get out break even here. The price seems to be consolidating. It's reacting off of nothing, and going up off of nothing. So I just wanted to get out break even here because I just look at ES. Like, this is terrible price action, and I was not a big fan of it. So I was going to be blessed if I can get out break even of this trade, and it's right around the void. But the price is just not it. I tried to wanting to put a stop loss. It's 160 bucks where I wanted to put it at, and I was like, no, I'm not going to, because I already have 200 of drawdown. What is 40 bucks that I will be left with to do anything, right? I mean, it's not fair for the price to kind of react so dumb like that, and I'm pretty disappointed. But there's nothing I could have done better. Honestly, there is nothing I could have done better. I got a bad fill, which is it's not my fault. I got a bad fill. The price action is terrible. It reacted pretty badly, and you know what really happens after that. Here's what happened. Go up, take out my stop loss, move down, move up again, move down, move up again, and then reacting from the void for the last freaking time. And then we get this inversion fair value gaps right away to the downside. I could have taken this, but there is no could have, should have, would have in the market. If you lost a trade, if you locked your drawdown for the day, you're done. And the The reason why I like to lock my account or I have a personal daily loss of just one trade idea, it's because look at the market after that. Maybe I take a revenge trade, maybe like right here to the buy side after I got stopped out. I would probably get stopped out here with this buy position, and then maybe with this buy side again I get in again and I get stopped out. So my psychology, and for as a beginner trader, it's better to just take one trade a day, one trade idea a day, and have your stop loss for your personal stop loss or personal daily loss limit sit for just one trade idea a day. Because as a beginner, after you get the first loss, maybe you'll go on a rampage of tilt or over trading or whatever, and honestly I don't want to do that because I just get hurt of it pretty bad every single time. I honestly don't think the price was fair today or moving efficiently. Like, look at the 5 minutes. The only 5 minutes like potential entry you would get maybe inside of this bearish fair value gap, and look at this. See, you would get maybe your entry here. This is not even an inversion. On the 30-second it would be right here, and the price, the max the price goes is $22.50, and it does not even go to the lower sell side liquidity that we want. So the lower sell side liquidity was this low right here, and then this low, this low, this low, because all of these are low resistance liquidity. But yeah, I just wanted to show you how I am doing so far for the month. Currently down 261 bucks. For the whole week I'm down, for I'm not the whole week, for this week I am down 688. Usually Friday is good for me, but because today we didn't have any news, it treated me bad. Very disappointed, very upset of my performance lately, but I don't know. I feel like there's nothing really I could have done better today. So I would take this loss with honor, I guess. But the other 2 days, those 3 days are not the best of psychology. This one was one trade. I got a FOMO trade at the end of the move, and it costed me my daily loss. This other day was FOMC chase entry after I had green day right here, had 206, and then I lost it all, plus my profit and plus my daily loss. So these 2 days I'm not proud of. Yesterday it was over trading, I am not proud of. I was green also, a little bit, not too much, but then I got in drawdown and lost my personal daily loss. Hopefully and that's all I can say and do. Hopefully next week is better. Let me know, guys, down in the comments below, how are you doing trading this week or this month so far. I would be happy to listen and just like look for other people's performance. I know some other people will be better than me, of course, but yeah, it is what it is. That's fine. All I can do is just try to learn from my mistakes, try to strengthen my psychology, and just keep doing what I do best, because the market is wins and losses, and as long as I'm managing risk properly, $200 a day, not going over that or less than that, I should be fine. That's why risk management and trading plan is pretty important. I had it $200 for a reason, because on a $200 or not $2,000 drawdown, I want to split that across 10 losing streaks. So that is over 10 losing streaks, 10 losing trades to lose that $2,000, and that would be of course $200 to risk per day. So it's pretty easy and simple equation. And trading is all about math. It's all about probability and statistics and just running your numbers. The reason why I lost yesterday or that week is because I was trying to push it more than $400 win per trade, and a couple times I had the price or the trade go in my favor for like $400, and I would not take profit because I was aiming for 500, which is a big mistake. I should have taking the $400, but I'm not just saying that because I'm in a bad week now. No, I'm saying that because that's what it's supposed to be like. I should, because I don't really take partial, because my risk or my leverage is pretty small per trade idea. So I just let the trade run to maybe 40 points move to get $400, because that's how the leverage is with 5 micros. With 5 micros, I don't know why is it doing that, but this is 5 micros. With 5 micros, to get $400, the price need to move $40, and that is a big move. If I am having higher leverage, that $40 of PA can give me more, but with my risk management, risk plan, I have to respect it. Right now I'm not in a good level or a good position to do anything. That's $1,500, so I still do have a couple good chances to run it back up. I've been there, I'll do it again with good risk management. I hope next week is better, at least. And that's basically it for today's video, guys. Please don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel, because that helps YouTube algorithms. And thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.